Okay guys, it's kind of windy out here today, so hopefully this will show up for you. This is the 1970 Superbee. This is the real McCoy, guys. This is a 1970, and she's got a whole 48,000 miles on it. I know that for a fact. I know where this car has been every day of its life since 1984. My wife knew where it was before then. So very, very strong, very incredible. It's been in a museum for the last 20 years. We'll go through all that later on again for you. I just wanted to show you under the hood here. All the places where you normally have all these huge problems. Yep. She's pretty straight up. I wish I could show you under the battery cover. It's got the paint knocked off like that, but there is no rust on there, no holes on that anywhere. Nothing weird or dumb like that. And she just... everywhere I look is like this. You know, now, am I going to say that there's not a chip, there's not a little spot? Of course not, right? The car's older than most of you guys watching this film right now. She is just an unbelievable example. I don't know. I'm not sure what her survivor is, but this has got to be pretty close. Guys, the battery is ugly. The car literally sat for 20 years in a museum. I haven't done anything other than get her running. I ran the oil pump through the distributor shaft there, pumped the oil in there for a long time, and then she fired right up, and no leaks, no issues. There's a window washer fluid tank that goes here, and I have a reproduction coming that has Mopar. Everything is exactly what it's supposed to look like. That's about the only casualty I had. Everything on it is just incredible. And yes, sirree, Bob, that is a 440 six-pack, boys. You got it right. And I just can't help but do this. The car is just nice. I'll show you the exterior in another film. But you got to hear this. Mercy. So it's got factory exhaust all the way out to the back. It's got what I believe to be probably cherry bomb mufflers on it from back in the day. She's just spectacular. I'm going to get her inside on the show floor because it looks like it's going to rain any minute here, and I don't really need to get it all dirty, but I just wanted you to see that she starts, runs, drives, does what it's supposed to do. No noises, no lifting noise, no nothing. She's about as straight as you're going to get, guys. I'm going to get her inside, and then I'll give you the rest of the view.